Dear students, we are learning integration chapter. In that one, we have completed exercise 6C first bit, second bit problems in the previous two videos, and now we are going to discuss about exercise 6C third bit problems. Okay, so as we are doing integration by parts method problems, so the code is to remember, that is ILATE, I for inverse functions, L for logarithmic functions, A for algebraic functions, T trigonometric functions, E exponential functions. సో అన్నిట్లలో మనం యూజ్ చేస్తున్న ఫార్ములా ఇది ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ UdV is equal to UV minus integration VdU, right? So now we have many problems. సో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చూసి భయపడకండి, చాలా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా అని చూసి భయపడకండి. సో మీరు అందులోకి దిగండి, మీన్స్ దాన్ని ప్రాబ్లం ట్రై చేయడానికి ప్రయత్నించండి. ఖచ్చితంగా మీకు సొల్యూషన్ అవన్నీ గుర్తుంటాయి, బట్ కరెక్ట్గా వేరి ఇంట్రెస్ట్తోని చక్కగా వాటిని మంచిగా నేర్చుకోవడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. ఖచ్చితంగా మీరు ఎలాంటి ప్రాబ్లం ఇచ్చినా ఎగ్జామ్లో సాల్వ్ చేయగలుగుతారు. ఓకే, రైట్. సో థర్డ్ బిట్, in this one we are going to solve third bit problems, and also in the previous video I did not complete two problems of second bit, so I will include those two problems in this video only. Okay, right. First problem, integration x into tan inverse of x into dx. So here we have two functions. One is x is algebraic function and tan inverse x is inverse trigonometric function. So inverse first, so that is, let u is equal to tan inverse x and the remaining term x dx is equal to dv. Okay, so అన్నిటిలో కామన్ స్టెప్ ఇది. ఓకే, now after differentiating you will get du is equal to derivative of tan inverse x is 1 plus x square into dx, integration dv is equal to integration x dx, v is equal to x square by 2, integration dv, v is equal to x square by 2. Now what is the formula? udv is equal to uv minus integration v du. udv is nothing but u means tan inverse x, dv means x dx. After combining those we will get the question, that is x into tan inverse x into dx. What is uv? U is tan inverse x into v, that is x square by 2, x square by 2 minus integration v du, x square by 2 into du. What is du? 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. Now ఖచ్చితంగా చెప్తున్నాను, బ్రాకెట్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేయాలి. tan ఇన్వర్స్ x into x square by 2, these two are different functions. So some students will do like this, tan inverse into x, tan inverse of x into x square x cube by 2, like that they will write. They are writing while we are doing evaluation, we are finding those mistakes. So that's why keep bracket x square by 2 right before the tan inverse x. That's why x square by 2 into tan inverse of x minus here 1 by 2 constant right outside into integration x square 1 plus x square dx. ఓకే, సో ఆల్రెడీ దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ అంటే మీకు చెప్పాను, ఇలా ఎక్స్ బై 1 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ ఉంటే 1 యాడ్ చేసి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయడం, అంటే న్యూమరేటర్ డిగ్రీ 1 డినామినేటర్ డిగ్రీ 1, ఇలా డిగ్రీ సేమ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇలాంటి లాజిక్స్ని అప్లై చేయాలని చెప్పాను, రైట్? సో నా అప్లై దట్ లాజిక్ హియర్. x square by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 integration, here add 1 and subtract 1, 1 plus x square minus 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. So 1 gets cancelled, you will get that one only. Now split it, x square by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 integration of 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square minus 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. So split చేశాను. Now these two gets cancelled. What is remaining? Which is equal to x square by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 into integration 1 dx, integration 1 dx. Next minus into minus plus 1 by 2 into integration 1 by 1 plus x square dx, 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Now what are the formulas? Apply that. X square by 2 into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 into what is integration of 1 dx? X, plus 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx, tan inverse x. అంటే మనకి అదేంటి తెలియకుండానే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్లో ఏం నేర్పిస్తున్నారు? ఫార్ములాస్ నేర్పిస్తున్నారు. సో ఫార్ములాస్ అన్నీ ఇట్లా 2-3 టైమ్స్ మనం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం వల్ల ఏమవుతుందంటే ఫార్ములాస్ కూడా అన్నీ పర్ఫెక్ట్ అయిపోతూ ఉంటాయి. సో మెయిన్ ఫార్ములాస్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ అవ్వాలి, తర్వాత ప్రొసీజర్ తెలుసుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. ఎలా చేయాలి, ఇలా యూవి ఏమనుకొని ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేయాలని ప్రాసెస్ తెలిస్తే ఎలాంటి ప్రాబ్లం అయినా మనం సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, రైట్. సో ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ 1 by 1 plus x square is nothing but tan inverse x. So as integration completed, so we can keep constant. So therefore write the final answer. Integration x tan inverse x dx is equal to x square by 2 tan inverse x minus x by 2 plus tan inverse x by 2. Otherwise we can take common 1 by 2 common also. Okay, right. So here we can take tan inverse x by 2 as common. Then what is remaining? X square. In this one we have x square, here 1. So x square plus 1 into tan inverse x by 2 minus x by 2 plus 6. Next, in the previous problem we have integration x into tan inverse x dx. Now we have integration x square tan inverse x dx. Okay, so here same, x square is algebraic and tan inverse x is inverse. So u is equal to tan inverse x and dv is equal to x square dx. So derivative of this one du is tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square dx, integration dv is equal to integration x square dx, v is equal to x cube by 3. Integration u dv formula, uv minus integration v du. So integration v u dv, what is u dv? So after substitution we will get x square tan inverse x dx. U, what is u? Tan inverse x into what is v? X cube by 3 minus integration v x cube by 3 into du. What is du? 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Careful substitution. Now x cube by 3 can be written as x cube by 3 into tan inverse x minus 1 by 3 constant integration x cube by 1 plus x square dx. Here I will tell one thing, that is if numerator degree is less than, here the numerator degree is 1, denominator degree is 2, then we can do directly, no problem. If numerator degree is greater than or equal to like x cube by 1 plus x square x power 4 by 1 plus x square, then in that case we should divide numerator polynomial with denominator polynomial. Okay, how can we divide? So as we know polynomials division, here denominator we have x square plus 1, numerator we have x cube. Okay, now x square into x into x. So here divide first coefficients x cube, here x square, which is equal to x. So write x here, that is the quotient. Now multiply this quotient with divisor x into x square plus 1, that is x into x square x cube plus x. So write here x cube plus x. Now after subtraction these two gets cancelled, we will get minus x as remainder. Now that can be written as quotient plus remainder by divisor. What is quotient? X plus what is remainder? Minus x. What is divisor? 1 plus x square or x square plus 1. If we do LCM, then we will get 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square into x, x plus x cube minus x. These two cancel, we will get the same term. Okay, so if numerator degree is greater than denominator degree, then convert it into like that. So now that can be written as x cube by 3 tan inverse x minus 1 by 3 integration of this one, x minus x by 1 plus x square into dx. Now x cube by 3 tan inverse x minus 1 by 3 integration x dx, minus into minus plus 1 by 3 integration x by 1 plus x square dx. Students, we can observe that integration of x dx is x square by 2, right? Now here this type of different integrations already we have done in previous exercises. Here we can observe that the denominator derivative is numerator, but 2 is missed. 1 derivative 0, x square derivative is 2x. So here we don't have 2, that's why multiply and divide with 2. Multiply and divide with 2. Then what happens? So which is equal to x cube by 3 tan inverse x minus 1 by 3 into, what is integration of x dx? That is x square by 2 plus 1 by 6. 3 into 2, 6. 1 plus x square derivative is 2x. Denominator derivative numerator. What is the formula? Log modulus of denominator plus c. So write the formula. F dash x by f of x dx is equal to log modulus of f of x plus c. Okay. So finally what is the answer? X cube by 3 tan inverse x minus x square by 3 to the 6 plus log modulus of 1 plus x square by 6 plus c. So this is the answer. Next, third problem, integration tan inverse of x by x square into dx. Here it is 1 by x square dx, right? As 1 by x square is algebraic, first tan inverse x is inverse, kabatti u is equal to tan inverse x and dv is equal to 1 by x square dx. So here after differentiating, du is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square dx, integration dv is equal to integration 1 by x square dx. V is equal to derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square and integration of 1 by x square is minus 1 by x, reverse. So minus 1 by x. Now integration u dv is equal to uv minus integration v du. U dv is nothing but question, that is tan inverse x by x square dx is equal to u, which is tan inverse x into v minus 1 by x, maintain brackets, integration v minus 1 by x into du 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. So which is equal to minus tan inverse x by x minus into minus plus integration 1 by x into 1 plus x square. Now this is big task. Okay, కలిసి ఉన్నాయి 1 by x into 1 plus x square కలిసి ఉన్నాయి, వాటిని కష్టపడి విడగొట్టాలంటే మనకు ఒక లాజిక్ గుర్తు తెచ్చుకోవాలి, ఒక ప్రాసెస్ ఉంటుంది, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as partial fractions. సో ఆల్రెడీ ఇన్ 2A పేపర్లో you have learnt partial fractions in 2A paper. So by using that knowledge we have to split, కలిసి ఉన్న వాటిని విడగొట్టాలి. 1 by x into 1 plus x square కొంచెం కలిసి ఉన్నాయి కదా, వాటిని విడగొట్టాలి. ఓకే, సో హౌ? ఓకే, సో ఇలా పార్షియల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్లో ఇది సైడ్కి రాస్తున్నాను. 1 by x into 1 plus x square can be written as, ఓకే, can be written as a by x plus here లీనియర్ పాలినామియల్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎలా రాయాలి, a by x ప్లస్ దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఫ్యాక్టరైజ్డ్ యాక్చువల్లీ 1 plus x square is a irreducible quadratic equation, quadratic expression. irreducible quadratic expression ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి, 1 plus x square కదా. సో దాన్ని ఎలా రాయాలంటే bx plus c by 1 plus x square, bx plus c by 1 plus x square. ఓకే, సో ఇది రాయడం ఇంపార్టెంట్ పార్షియల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్లో. ఆల్రెడీ పార్షియల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్లో మీరు నేర్చుకున్నారు కాబట్టి నో ప్రాబ్లం. నౌ do LCM 1 by x into 1 plus x square which is equal to x into 1 plus x square a into 1 plus x square plus bx plus c into x. These two cancel, 1 is equal to a plus ax square plus bx into x, bx square plus cx. Now left side there is no x square term, I am writing 0 into x square, 0 into x plus 1. Okay, this becomes 0, right? Now a plus b into x square common plus cx plus a. Now comparing the coefficients, x square coefficient 0, x square coefficient a plus b is equal to 0, then a is equal to minus b. Next cx coefficient, c is equal to 0. Next constants, every x square coefficient, compare x square coefficient, x coefficient and a constant 1. So a is equal to 1 means b is equal to minus 1, b become minus 1. So a c0 a1 వీటిని ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. Then what happens, 1 by x into 1 plus x square is equal to a by x, what is a, 1 by x plus b into x, that is minus 1 into x minus x plus c value 0 by 1 plus x square. So 1 by x minus x by 1 plus x square is the partial fraction of 1 by x into 1 plus x square. ఇక్కడ కలిసి ప్రోడక్ట్లో ఉంది, కష్టపడి విడగొట్టాం. ఓకే, సో దిస్ వీ నీడ్. Okay, we may not integrate this term, but we can integrate this term. Okay, just replace that here. We will get minus tan inverse of x by x plus integration of 1 by x, value of this one is 1 by x minus x by 1 plus x square into dx. Okay, right. Now simple integration we can do. Now integration tan inverse x by x square dx is equal to what, minus tan inverse x by x, right? Next plus integration 1 by x dx minus integration x by 1 plus x square dx. Here first one is minus tan inverse x by x. Okay, what is integration 1 by x dx? Exactly log mod x. Here observe, just now we have did in previous problem. Here observe denominator derivative is numerator, but 2 is missed. 1 plus x square derivative 1 derivative 0, x square derivative 2x. So write 2 here and 2 here, multiply and divide. Then minus 1 by 2 into log mod denominator, that is 1 plus x square plus c. So what is the formula? f dash x. ఎక్కడ ఫార్ములా కనబడితే అక్కడ రాసేయాలి, ఫార్ములా కూడా మార్క్స్ ఉంటాయి అప్పుడప్పుడు. log mod f of x plus c. So this is the answer. So practice. Next fourth problem, integration x into cos inverse x dx. Let us take u is equal to cos inverse x as it is inverse function first, and remaining part dv is equal to x into dx. So here derivative of u, cos inverse x derivative, remember it, minus 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx. Derivative of sin inverse x is 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. Now here integration dv is equal to integration x dx v is equal to x square by 2. Okay, now integration u dv is equal to uv minus integration v du. Integration u dv, that is question, x cos inverse x dx is equal to uv, u cos inverse x, maintain bracket, into x square by 2. These two are different functions, minus integration v, that is x square by 2 into du minus 1 by under root of 1 minus x square into dx. Now careful simplification, which is equal to x square by 2 cos inverse x minus 1 by 2 constant right outside. Here I am doing minus x square by, plus into minus x square by under root of 1 minus x square dx. So now one important step మీకు ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను, నేను ఎక్కడెక్కడైతే మీ ఎగ్జామ్ హాల్లో, ఓకే, సో వైల్ వీఆర్ ఎవాల్యుయేటింగ్ యాన్యువల్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ పేపర్స్ వీ విల్ అబ్జర్వ్ మెనీ థింగ్స్. సో ఆ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ అన్నీ కూడా మీకు ఈ వీడియో రూపంలో చెప్తున్నాను మధ్యలో, కాబట్టి అందుకనే వీడియోని ఎక్కడా స్కిప్ చేయొద్దు, మంచిగా వింటూ ఉంటే మధ్యలో ఇలాంటి పాయింట్స్ కూడా వస్తూ ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. సో ఏంటంటే మీ ఎక్కడైతే బండి స్ట్రక్ అవుతుందో, బండి ఆగిపోతుందో, ఆ బండి ఎక్కడైతే ఆగిపోతుందో మీ ఎగ్జామ్ రాసే బండి, సో అక్కడ నేను ఎక్కడ అవుతుందో వాటిని స్ట్రెచ్ చేస్తున్నాను. వాటిని 1-2 సార్లు ఎక్కువ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఓకే, సో వైల్ వీఆర్ రైటింగ్ ఎగ్జామ్ అంటే ఇలాంటివి కొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ స్టెప్స్, అంటే అక్కడ ఏం చేయాలో అర్థం కాదనమాట. సో వాటిని ఒక 2-3 టైమ్స్ ఎక్కువ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేశారనుకోండి, మీకు అది వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, రైట్. సో అలాంటి దగ్గర నేను స్టార్ పెడుతున్నాను. వాటిని ఒక 2-3 టైమ్స్ ఎక్కువ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి ఆ స్టెప్స్ని. which is equal to x square by 2 cos inverse x minus 1 by 2 into, here what I am doing is adding 1 and subtracting 1. Okay, so 1 adding and subtracting 1. Okay, now split it. X square by 2 cos inverse x minus 1 by 2, 1 minus x square, ఇక్కడ సేమ్ టర్మ్స్ ఉండేలా చూసుకోవాలి, బై అండర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 1 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 1 బై అండర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 1 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ డిఎక్స్. మనకి ఒకవేళ ఇలా 2/√2 అనుకోండి, ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు, 2 కెన్ బి రిటన్ యాజ్ √2 ఇంటూ √2/√2. దెన్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ √2. a/√a. So this a can be written as √a into √a or √a whole square. Square root cancel, we will get a, right? √a. So the answer is √a. So similarly, here we have 1 minus x square, here we have √1 minus x square. So 1 minus x square can be written as √1 minus x square by √1 minus x square, right? This 1 minus x square can be written as 1 minus x square root whole square by √1 minus x square. These two gets cancelled, we will get √1 minus x square. Okay, right. So which is equal to x square by 2 cos inverse x minus 1 by 2 integration 1 minus x square by √1 minus x square is nothing but under root of 1 minus x square into dx. Minus into minus become plus 1 by 2 integration 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx. Now recall the formula, that is integration under root of, this is a square minus x square dx formula, that is x square by 2 into x by 2 into under root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x by a plus c. This is the formula for √a square minus x square. Okay, now apply all these terms, then you will get x square by 2 into cos inverse x, first one, minus 1 by 2 into this formula, that is x. Here x means x by 2 under root of a square minus x square means 1 minus x square plus a square 1 square 1 by 2 sin inverse of x means x only by a. At the place of a we have 1 bracket close. We will write constant later. 1 by 2 into what is the integration of 1 by under root of 1 minus x square, that is sin inverse of x by a. Sin inverse of x by a. Sin inverse of x by a means 1. Integration 1 by under root of 1 minus x square is 1. So this is also important applying formula. Now final step is x square by 2 cos inverse x minus x by 2 2's 4 under root of 1 minus x square minus into plus minus 1 by 4 sin inverse x plus 1 by 2 sin inverse x. Okay, so sin inverse x common. What is remaining? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. 4 LCM 2 minus 1, that is 1 by 4. So x square by 2 cos inverse x minus x by 4 under root of 1 minus x square. After adding these two we will get plus 1 by 4 sin inverse x. Integration completed. Writes constant here also. After immediate completing integration we can write constant. So this is the answer. సో ఇక్కడ ఎల్సిఎం చేయొచ్చు లేదా సిన్స్ జస్ట్ కామన్ సెన్స్ అంటే ఏంటి, ఇది ఎంత అరకిలో, దిస్ ఈజ్ 1 క్వాంటిటీ, దిస్ ఈజ్ సేమ్ క్వాంటిటీ, ఇది అరకిలో, ఇది పావు కిలో, అరకిలో నుంచి పావు కిలో పోతే ఎంత, పావు కిలో. సో రైట్ పావు కేజీ, లైక్ దట్ వీ కెన్ రైట్. Next problem, integration x square into sin inverse x dx. Here inverse, as inverse ilet lo I first kabatti inverse u is equal to sin inverse x and the remaining term dv is equal to x square dx. Derivative of sin inverse x is 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx. Integration dv is equal to integration x square dx. V is equal to x cube by 3. Okay, integration u dv formula, uv minus integration v du. U dv is nothing but x square sin inverse x dx, which is equal to uv. U is sin inverse x into v is x cube by 3 minus integration, what is the value of v, x cube by 3 into du, this one 1 by under root of 1 minus x square into dx. So now x cube by 3 sin inverse x minus 1 by 3 constant, here I am bringing minus 2 inside, that is minus x cube by under root of 1 minus x square dx. Okay, now one important step for this problem. So here I am writing numerator of this one as like this 1 by 3 into I am minus x cube can be written as x into minus x square, x into minus x square, and here I am adding 1 and subtracting 1 to this one. Which is equal to x cube by 3 sin inverse x plus 1 by 3 x into add 1 and subtract 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx. So these are important steps. So here conversion of minus x cube like this is very very important. Now split it, x cube by 3 sin inverse x plus 1 by 3 into integration of this one x into 1 minus x square by under root of 1 minus x square dx plus 1 by 3 into integration x into minus 1 minus x by 1 minus x square under root dx. Okay, so here the writing and splitting is important, and just now we have seen that x cube by 3 sin inverse x, this can be written as x into 1 minus x square can be written as root 1 minus x square whole square by root 1 minus x square. One term will get cancelled, and here I am writing it as denominator derivative numerator form. So multiplying 2 numerator and 2 in denominator. Now this is of the form integration f dash x by root f of x dx. Here small substitution. Okay. Which is equal to x cube by 3 sin inverse x plus 1 by 3 integration x into under root of 1 minus x square dx plus 1 by 6 into minus 2x by under root of 1 minus x square dx. Now here I am changing this root 1 minus x square like this, x into root 1 minus x square like this. Listen carefully. In this one we have to observe one formula. Root 1 minus x square can be written as 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2 into x into x. So small one more conversion, or we can solve this by substitution method. Let us take 1 minus x square is equal to t and solve it. Okay, so here this is of the form. Here we have two formulas. One is integration f power nx into f dash x dx is equal to f power n plus 1x by n plus 1 plus c, and this formula is f dash x by root f of x dx is equal to 2 root f of x plus c. Okay, two formulas we have to apply. For that, this is f of x power n. Immediately we have f dash x, that means 1 derivative 0 minus x square derivative minus 2. So now that can be written as minus 2 multiplying denominator and numerator. So these two gets cancelled, we will get that only. Next place 1 by 6 into numerator denominator derivative numerator. Okay, now exactly we can apply this formula. F dash x denominator derivative 1 derivative 0 minus x square derivative minus 2x. Like that we have to convert. Otherwise you can solve by using substitution method. Let us take 1 minus x square is equal to dA t or t square like that. Okay, so final answer is x cube by 3 sin inverse x plus into minus 1 by 6, 3 to the 6, f of x whole power n, immediately f dash x. So 1 minus x square whole power n plus 1, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 6 into denominator derivative numerator. So 2 root f of x, 2 root 1 minus x square plus c, 2 1s 2 3s. 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. Okay, so 3 by 2 become 2 by 3. X cube by 3 sin inverse x minus 1 by 6 into 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2 become 2 by 3 into 1 minus x square power 3 by 2. Finally plus root 1 minus x square by 3 plus c. Here 2 1s 2 3s, 3 3s are 9. So this is the answer. So here in this problem we have 2-3 important steps. So to get the answer you should practice more. Okay, so one is converting minus x cube in like x into minus x square and adding 1 and subtracting 1 and splitting, and this is normal integration which we have seen in previous exercises. Sixth problem, integration x into log of 1 plus x dx. Here what is algebraic function? X. What is logarithmic function? Log of 1 plus x. Okay, now what comes first? What is u here? As per our code ILATE, so logarithm come first and algebraic next. So u is equal to obviously log of 1 plus x. Okay, then dv is equal to x dx. Here derivative is du is equal to log of 1 plus x derivative 1 by 1 plus x, log x derivative 1 by x, log of 1 plus x derivative 1 by 1 plus x, inner term derivative 1 derivative 0, x derivative dx. Integration dv is equal to integration x dx, v is equal to x square by 2. Right, now integration u dv is equal to uv minus integration v du. Integration u dv is nothing but x into log of 1 plus x dx is equal to u. Log of 1 plus x, it is a function, write in a bracket, maintain bracket, x v is nothing but x square by 2 minus v x square by 2 into 1 by 1 plus x dx. Now write x square by 2 before log of 1 plus x minus 1 by 2 constant x square by 1 plus x dx. As numerator degree is greater than denominator, observe, if numerator degree is less than denominator degree, then there is no problem. Obviously we have some formulas. If numerator degree equal to denominator degree, then add and subtract something, then you will do. If numerator degree is greater than denominator degree, then we have to divide like this. So x plus 1 denominator and x square numerator. So here first one x square divide with x, already you learned it in this in 9th standard, is equal to x. So write x here, x into x, x square, x into 1, x, minus, you will get minus x. Quotient plus remainder by divisor, x plus minus x by 1 plus x. So now which is equal to x square by 2 log of 1 plus x minus 1 by 2 into what, x minus x by 1 plus x into dx. Okay, so this is important step here, division and splitting. Which is equal to integration, x square by 2 log of 1 plus x minus 1 by 2 integration x dx, minus into minus plus 1 by 2 integration x. Again we have to do some simplification here. After splitting I am adding 1 and subtracting 1. Why? Means we don't have, oh sorry, wait, here the degree of denominator, the degree of remainder is 1, so still we can divide. So here minus x and here x, which is minus 1, so minus 1 into x plus 1, that is minus x minus 1, minus x minus 1, so plus 1 is the remainder. Then quotient plus remainder by divisor, quotient is what? Quotient is x minus 1 plus remainder is 1 and divisor is x plus 1. Okay, now write here quotient is x minus 1 and 1 plus x plus 1. After simplification you will get the same only, dx. So intake minus 1 by 2 integration x dx, minus into minus plus 1 by 2 integration 1 dx, next minus into plus minus 1 by 2 integration 1 by x plus 1 or 1 plus x dx. Now x square by 2 log of 1 plus x minus 1 by 2 into x integration x is x square by 2 and integration 1 dx is nothing but x and denominator derivative numerator, or integration 1 by x. Integration 1 by x is log x, integration 1 by 1 plus x is log mod 1 plus x. Integration completed plus c. So here log of 1 plus x by 2, log of 1 plus x by 2 common, then what is remaining? X square plus 1 into log of 1 plus x by 2 minus x square by 2 into 2, 4 plus x by 2 plus c is the answer. One small error here, log of 1 plus x by 2 common, here we have x square and here we have minus 1, and in this one 1 by 2 is common, then we can write x square minus 1 into log of 1 plus x. In 1 by 2 common means x square by 2 plus 1 by 2 common, then x is remaining plus constant. This is the answer. This type of problem already we have solved in second bit, integration sin root x dx. So by using substitution, let root x is equal to t, then 1 by 2 root x dx is equal to dt, dx is equal to 2 root x dt, dx is equal to root x value is t, dt 2t dt. Substitute here, sin root x is t into dx is 2t dt. To constant, integration t into sin t dt. Algebraic, trigonometric. U is equal to t, dv is equal to sin t dt. So du is equal to dt, integration dv is equal to integration sin t dt. V is equal to minus cos t. After substitution, you will get 2 into integration u dv is equal to uv, t into minus cos t minus integration v du, v minus cos t du means dt. So 2 into minus t cos t, minus into minus plus integration cos t is nothing but sin t plus c. Now substitute the value of t, that is minus root x cos root x plus sin root x plus c. Here this by using tabular integration also we can solve. Derivative integration t sin t, t derivative 1 derivative 0, sin t integration minus cos t integration minus sin t, arrow mark plus minus. So t into minus cos t minus t cos t minus into minus plus sin c. Direct we will get this one by using tabular integration. Tabular integration technique previous video lo kuda oka 2-3 problems cheppanu. So tabular integration anedi meeku competitive examinations lo shortcut tondaraga cheyadaniki use avutadi. So adi eppudu maatrame use cheyochu, oka derivative ni 2-3 times chesthe 0 ayinappudu maatrame ee tabular integration preferable. Okay, so students, this is the end of the video. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం ఒక థర్డ్ బిట్లో 7 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ నేర్చుకోవడం జరిగింది. రిమైనింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అండ్ లెఫ్ట్ ఓవర్ 2 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆఫ్ సెకండ్ బిట్ ఐ విల్ టెల్ ఇన్ నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో. ఓకే, సో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ని ఎక్కువగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి, దానిపైన మంచి గ్రిప్ తెచ్చుకోండి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.